Chicken, yeah? You guys like chicken?
What's he doing? He loves you.
I love him.
Hi. What's going on? Who's got ya? You funny boy. Do. Hi. Where are you? So cute. Brian, you know something? He's never done this for me.
No?
Uh-uh.
Hey, let the girl? Here.
No. What are you doing, Do?
Clifford doesn't stay here this long. Zoe does.
I'm shocked right now, actually. She's like, he's never done this.
No, everything's happy. He's going to try playing with her now.
No litter box.